Hello and welcome to Battle of Champions, coming to you live from Antigua, where we've witnessed another masterclass by the Indian team. You thought that 47-run margin was good against Afghanistan? Well, guess what? The men in blue have gone one step further. They've even bettered that, beating Bangladesh by a margin of 50 runs. In Test match cricket, we would call it an innings defeat, and that's exactly what they've given in T20 cricket. 50-run margin, absolutely brilliant once again by the Indian team. I'm being joined by a few Indian fans, all heading out after watching their team's performance. Can I say got money's worth because you didn't see a close enough game? I know you'd be happy that India won.
No, we were really happy that we got to see 20 overs of batting. That was our main goal. Saw Kohli bat, saw Pant bat for the first time, and I'm a huge Rishabh Pant fan, so I was really happy to see him back on the field.
I like the test jersey that he's wearing. Did you get a test cricket feel when Bangladesh were batting? Was it?
Yeah. It was a little bit slow, but we did a good job all around, even the bowling unit. Kuldeep came in, did his job as a spinner. So
Delhi Capitals legend.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, he is. But you really can't fault the Bangladesh batters. When you're up against Arshdeep Singh, Jasprit Bumrah, Kuldeep Yadav, you don't have a chance.
Yeah, and Hardik Pandya made it look really easy. He scored a 50, and he's as if he's at home right now. He's been doing it every game and bowling well as well. So it's really nice to see.
Yeah, no, I think it was a really comprehensive victory. I think it was a much needed victory. I think it just takes the pressure off the India-Australia game now, so all of us can just watch without any pressure. So semi-finals, here we come.
Have you got your tickets for the semi-final?
Yes, I have the tickets for the semi-finals, but it is. It's been quite a trek here. So I've come all the way from London. And really enjoying it, but the travel and the arrangements I think can surely be improved in the future.
Okay. Okay. Honestly, India looking. I know I don't want to jinx it. It tends to happen. You qualify for the same, but they're looking like a tournament-winning team.
100%.
Wow.
Yeah. Well, but we don't want to say anything to jinx it. We're gonna keep our fingers crossed.
Anything.
One game at a time.
After November last year, I don't say anything until we've won it.
Good point.
Well, it's a funny sport. You see, South Africa's unbeaten, and they've had so many batting collapses. They collapsed against Netherlands. They almost lost against Nepal as well. So you just got to stay consistent and keep delivering, right?
See, there was one concern about the Indian openers not doing well. Happy with the way they've contributed now? Rohit and Virat?
Rohit and Virat not doing well.
Yeah, I mean, of course they hadn't for this part of the tournament.
A bit out of form, but now it was a really good start. Rohit first ball he donked it over mid off. It was a great shot, and they were in good nick. And you could see Kohli hit a few sixes as well. So you can once they get their form back, they'll be unstoppable.
Yeah. No. Rohit and Kohli are the legends. They're gonna kill it. I mean, there's no way.
Yeah. They'll be fine. They've been playing, and they go through rough patches and they bounce back. That's all they'll do.
There's always a Delhi Capitals legend, Rishabh Pant, coming in at number 3. So
keep a counter how many times he says Delhi Capitals legend.
Are you a Delhi Capitals fan?
I am a Delhi Capitals
That must be a heartbreak. It's not easy being a Delhi Capitals fan.
No, it's not. I mean, hopefully we get another legend coming in to coach, Ricky Ponting, but maybe not.
Oh, look at that. Why not? Today, the way the Indian team has done well. अच्छा, आप दोनों को problem था. Thank you. आप लोग दोनों पहले मैच से पहले I met you. आपने कहा थोड़ा सा डर लग रहा है, रोहित विराट रन नहीं कर रहे. अभी क्या?
आज रन सभी ने अच्छा खेला. सभी ने सही टाइम पे गेंदबाजी की. सही ने और कुलदीप ने भी अच्छी टाइम पे आया. वो उसको 3 विकेट मिल गया.
हाँ, अच्छा आप इधर आओ ना. आपको लगा था इंडियन टीम जो है, these guys travel across the globe watching cricket. They are hardcore Indian supporters. We are struggling to get tickets to venues, to different islands, and that's how tough it's been. But somehow or the other, these guys always manage, always supporting the Indian team. Achha,
we are going back to London today. We got the 6 o'clock flight. Abhi 6 o'clock flight hai. Then I think if we reach India final, anyhow we will come back. Even we go to America, we will come back here.
अमेरिका भी आएंगे, वापस आएंगे.
Wow, I love that absolute love for their team. the enthusiasm that they have. So they are going to say that they are not getting tickets to go to now St. Lucia and Guyana, but they are going back to London, but they are coming back.
For final, yeah.
For the finals, they're coming. They're coming back. Acha, today to the Indian team did well. Aapko bhi tha issue, Virat, Rohit, will they score runs or not? Did you like their approach? Jaisa wo batting kar rahe?
Yes, Virat approach. The pehle ball pe Virat dekho, Rohit Sharma dekho, they batted really well today. Surya Bhav ke run nahi aaye, but then middle orders they batted well. Pandya 50 runs, 26, 27 balls. I think that's amazing. Everybody scored. Rishabh Pant scored. Everybody got 30 pluses. So that was plus point.
Acha, you guys are originally from Gujarat, मुझे पता है ना. तो भाई गुजरात के तो सब अक्षर पटेल, हार्दिक पांड्या, जसप्रीत बुमराह सब एकदम टॉप नॉच चल रहे हैं इस वक्त.
3 all-rounder है. We've given you 3 good all-rounders
Yes.
and 1 good fast bowlers.
और क्या चाहिए?
Half a team is Gujarat.
और नहीं, it's not about half the team. They're all in form also. है ना?
Yeah, very good. Everybody is in form as well. अभी दुबे देखो, फॉर्म में नहीं है, आज फॉर्म में आ गया, वापस आ गया.
अच्छा, अब दुबे का टेंशन भी खत्म है.
अभी खत्म लग रहा है कि अभी टेंशन नहीं है. पहले उसका थोड़ा प्रेशर में था. नहीं उसके बाजी दी थी, उसका रन नहीं आया, लेकिन अभी वापस आ गया है. He's come back.
As long as he's playing more and more games, he's getting his confidence back and he'll come back again.
Okay, thank you guys for joining me. As always, I'll give this special hat that they make. But oh, you're live right now. What do you make of the game? Yeah.
Oh, I thought the game was a gone case in the first 10 overs actually. So when India scored almost 80 runs in the first 10 overs, I thought anything north of 150, Bangladesh cannot chase.
Quite often it's the Indian batters that are superstars, and whenever India does well, the Indian batters have to fire. Do you see a difference in this tournament? Because even if you get like par totals, the kind of bowling performances you're seeing from a Bumrah, a Kuldeep, a Hardik Pandya, it just, as an Indian fan, puts you at ease with this bowling?
Not only does it put me at ease with this bowling, I think the Indian bowling is for the first time better than the Indian batting.
Wow.
I'm actually leaning towards giving bowling more of a credit. I mean, look at the game today. I mean, they've just played out Kuldeep Yadav. Yeah. They just played out Jasprit Bumrah. That's 8 overs. So you're basically playing with 12 overs to chase a target of 190. Nobody's going to win. Obviously, this is still Bangladesh, not Australia.
Yeah.
So we'll see what happens on Monday. And if the Indian bowling lineup keeps Australia under 160 or even 170 or 180, I think the batting will take it through.
The form that the Indian team is showing at the moment, even Australia better watch out, right?
Yes, but look, I mean,
But you're nervous of no.
Oh, without a doubt. I think
19th November.
Yeah. No, without a doubt, I think the finals is going to be India versus Australia. Australia may even beat us on Monday, which is fine. But we have to play to our strength. I mean, spin bowling.
Actually, you know what I'll say? That it's okay if they beat you on Monday, because usually what happens, you beat them in the league stage and then in the knockout there's an issue. But this time around, it's okay if they beat in the league stage, so long as we can win the crucial final.
Yeah, so sometime in October last year, I was in Chennai for the India-Australia game. India was down 3 wickets for 2 runs. And India ended up winning, and obviously we celebrated.
Right.
But I had this foreboding that when you beat Australia in the initial stages, they learn from it and they come back. And that's exactly what they did. But I would hope that we continue to learn from our mistakes and beat Australia this time.
Okay, I love that comment that this gentleman makes. Where are you traveling from?
Well, we are all from Los Angeles. We are a group of 12.
Wow.
And we've been following the Indian national team for pretty much every World Cup from 2007.
Okay, lovely chatting with you. There is a Virat Kohli fan. Are you happy we met him before the game? Are you happy?
I am so happy. India played so well. Hardik Pandya was so good. Now India is almost through to the semi-finals. 2 more, we are going to St. Lucia for the Australia game.
Why are you saying almost through? They're through, no?
Well, if Afghanistan beats both Australia and
But in the form that this Indian team is showing, forget semi-final. Come in. Forget semi-final. They are looking like a finals team. Come. Let's get some energy. Come.
Definitely looking like a final.
Come in this side. Yeah.
Come. They're definitely looking like a finals team, but we haven't had a challenging match yet. Like Australia, England, West Indies, South Africa. These are the main competitions. India!